Hi friends, welcome to my cozy fall evening routine. First things first is changing into some comfy clothes and then heading downstairs. I love to start my evenings with turning on all of the lamps and lighting some candles and kind of just setting the mood for a cozy night in, especially during the fall. I feel like those candles and the lighting just really make a difference. And usually when I get home from work, I change and then head to Pilates. So my evening starts after I get home from my workout. And since usually on the weekdays, I'm just rushing out the door really early for work, I don't have time to unload the dishwasher until the evenings. So I do it right before I make dinner. That way it's empty and ready to be reloaded after I'm done with dinner. And while I'm making dinner, I love to sip on something in a fun glass. It's usually kombucha or this lemonade mocktail that I've been making since the summer. I'm still doing it, super good. It is just this Spindrift sparkling water and a splash of lemonade. And nothing says a cozy fall dinner like chili. And tonight I'm making some white chicken chili from Half Baked Harvest, and I will link the full recipe down below. Pretty simple to make, it came out really good, and I followed the recipe pretty much the same except for it says to use some green salsa, and I made mine from scratch, but that's pretty much all I changed, and it is really delicious. I love having chili for dinner and then being able to have leftovers for lunch the next day. And my husband really loves chili, so it's just perfect to make in the fall. One of my favorite parts of my evening routine is going on a walk with my husband. We take our doggy Batman for about a mile or mile and a half walk, and it is starting to get a little bit cooler in the evening, so it's just been so nice. We also enjoy seeing people's Halloween decorations, and of course walking back home to our Halloween decorations is always so fun. And after we get back from our walk, I will tidy up in the kitchen and just load the dishwasher and wipe down our countertops. There'll be days where I will also vacuum, but there's some times where I just clean the kitchen and call it good. washing the sink is such a satisfying part about cleaning the kitchen, as well as wiping down the countertops, especially with the seasonal smells. I love this apple cider scent from Mrs. Meyer's. It just leaves our kitchen smelling so good. Something I also really love in the evenings is having a cup of tea. I got these seasonal fall teas from World Market. This pumpkin spice one is really good, but I usually do a caffeine-free one. So I'm having this caramel apple flavor and it is so delicious. And there is nothing better than having a clean kitchen at the end of the day. I love being able to wake up in the morning to a clean kitchen, and I'll usually prepare my lunch for the next day in the evenings, or I'll just do it in the mornings. But it's nice to just have the kitchen nice and clean to do so. Then I usually head upstairs for just some relaxing time. I set the mood and turn on all of the cozy lighting, and then watch a show and also work on some computer work for YouTube and just relax for a little bit. And I usually do just like one last chore, which is either folding clothes, or if I folded clothes the night before, then I'll just put it away. And that's everything for my fall evening routine. After this, I'll just shower and do my skincare, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys got some cozy vibes and enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.